Good morning, children. So today we have studied day before about the Tiger King. Okay. Now we will continue. Crown Prince Jang Bahadur grew taller and stronger day by day. No other miracle marked his childhood days apart from the event already described. The book the boy drank the milk of an English cow, was brought up by an English nanny, tutored in English by an Englishman, saw nothing but English films, exactly as the crown princes of all the other Indian states did. When he came of age at 20, the states which had been where the courts of wards until then came into his hands. So now the child was growing up gradually. Okay, he was growing day by day and was drinking the best milk of cow of English country. Okay, and his upbringing was taken care by in a best way. Okay, and the princess and all he was getting the call from the other states for the hand for the marriages. Okay, so and then everything was very going very smooth, but everyone in the kingdom remembered Maharaja's ears. So Maharaja was very much unaware about it, but when the people started to gossip about all these predictions, it came to the ears of the Maharaja. Okay, so they all were gossiping about it because it was just a matter of concern for everybody. There were innumerable forests in the Pratibandhapuram state. They had tigers in them. The Maharaja knew the old saying, "You may kill even a cow in self defense." There could certainly be no objection to killing tiger in self defense. The Maharaja started out on a tiger hunt. So Maharaja remembered that the saying that you can kill anybody in your self defense. Okay, self defense is the is can be in self defense you can do any crime. It is not considered as crime. Okay, cow is considered as a holy animal, but we can kill it also for the self defense. So here he can kill even tiger also for the self defense. So he had started to hunt tiger. The Maharaja was thrilled beyond measure when he killed his first tiger. He sent for the state astrologer and showed him the dead beast. Now he has started his mission, and when he accomplished his first task, he had shown the beast to the astrologer and shown that he has completed his mission and his first task was over. What do you say? But what speak without fear? But you must be very careful with the hunted tiger. So, as he was destined, 99 tigers were not a big deal for him. Okay, he was ably killed the 99 tiger, but the 100 tiger will be a